Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trade gold in Binance. So if you don't know, Binance is crypto exchange that you can also trade some commodities like gold. So there is two options to trading gold in Binance. So the first option is you can buy PAXG USDT. So if you search in the top search box, and then you will find PXCG, click this one, and this is the gold. So basically it's same like the real-time gold price. So you can see the time frame here, maybe 1 hour, 4 hours, and maybe 1 day if you want. And if you want to trade it or buy it, you can just click buy here in the bottom of your phone, the buy green icon, and then you can choose the price. Maybe you want to set the limit price like this, or maybe you want to market order, so you can just immediately buy the coin. So basically it's coin, but the ratio is 1 by 1, so 1 coin for 1 ounce of gold. And then the other option is XAUT, this one. So it's basically same but different company, it's Tether Gold. And then you can just like that buy, click buy, and you can set up market price or limit price. And after that, let's say you have already buy the coin, you can just sell it if you want. You can just click sell in this bottom right corner here and sell your gold. So that's it, how to trade gold in Binance. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.